If you struggle with falling or staying asleep, this is the perfect program for you. My name is Kassandra Reinhardt. I'm a yin and vinyasa yoga teacher, and I have personally struggled with sleep and insomnia for as long as I can remember. I discovered yoga over 10 years ago, and I can honestly say that it was completely life-changing for me because it taught me the tools I needed to put my issues with sleep in the past. This program will take you through my all-time favorite yoga sequences, meditations, and breathing exercises that you can do to help you facilitate a full night's rest. These are tried and true methods suitable for all experience levels, so beginners are absolutely welcome. Anyone can participate in this program, and I'm really excited to be able to share with you these methods that you can apply to your own daily lives and hopefully see a significant improvement in both the amount of time it takes you to fall asleep at night as well as the quality of your sleep overall. These are simple practices that will help you relax your mind and body. I truly do hope you'll decide to join me. Let's go ahead and begin.